Welcome to Thriving360Purpose. My name is Lindy Sherries. For those of you who do not know, on Monday we are launching, and these are the topics that will be covered on my program right on launch. So the first one is wealth mindset shift, because I do want to work on your mind first before you can even continue. You know, all those limiting beliefs that we have, we need to deal with those ones. The second topic is artificial intelligence. So under it, I am covering different topics like your prompts, like your AI, what is it? What do you need to know? Should you worry about losing your job? And then the third topic is social media. And then the fourth one is marketing. How to sell, guys, how to sell online, how to sell our products, how to start a business and sell. And then the fifth one is creating a course. So if you want to create a course, the very same way I am creating mine, I will show you how to create that. And then the number 6 is YouTube. I am currently making money on YouTube. I am going to teach you different ways, and I am going to show you how to create it and how to set it up, the defaults, everything you need to know about it. And then when you go to number 7, business setup, the legal part when it comes to SaaS. So everything that you need to know, like filing your tax returns, applying to be a public officer, topics like that. And then when it comes to number 8, it is business setup again, but this time we are talking about CIPC. How do you register your business? How do you remove a director? How do you add a director? How do you reserve a name? How do you become how do you apply for beneficial officer? And then number 9 is edupreneur. So for those of you who are in careers, I am going to teach you how to monetize your skill, or maybe if you have a certain skill that people do not know. Guys, you can even monetize making hair. I struggle with that. I would buy a course like that if someone were to create one, or maybe how to make scrunchies. Whatever you know, whatever you are good at and other people do not know, maybe you should consider monetizing that. And then when it comes to number 10, it is a sales funnel. So how do you create a sales funnel to promote your product? And then number 11 is affiliate marketing. How do we make money on affiliate marketing? And then I also show testimonies of what I have made when it comes to affiliate marketing. And then number 12 is creating a product. So I do talk about the physical product, I do talk about the digital product, where to sell it, how to sell it, and guys. So these are the topics that I'll be covering on my course. Remember, each topic have videos that are linked to it, showing you step by step on how to learn. Guys, this is serious value in life. Personal development is important, because once you have the knowledge, no one will take it away from you. And at the end of the course, I am going to give you a certificate of completion to show that you have completed the course. So guys, I hope you are ready to learn, because there is so much you can learn. You can learn to make money, and when you learn to make money online, you can work anywhere, guys. You can work in Mauritius, you can work in Dubai, you can work anyway, guys.